Let's make a Benito Juaregroni. This drink is based on the Negroni model. So we're going to start with 1 ounce of our spirit. In this case, it's going to be the Paranubes Rum. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of amaro. I'm using Tattersall. Use an amaro of your choice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And 1 ounce of dry vermouth. I'm using Dolan. Use dry vermouth of your choice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Add some ice and give it a stir. I'm going to strain this into a low ball. Where's my strain? Oh, it's this side. And I'm going to garnish with a twist of orange. Short twist, but twist nonetheless. Espresso, wipe, and drop. And there you have it. A Benito Juaregroni. Drink with good spirits.